This one is an often overlooked optimization technique which works for not just Lightroom Classic, almost any similar application. How does that work? Let's see. Now, on the Mac, when you look at the top right menu bar, you have a search option. This is called the Spotlight search, and if you type or start typing anything, it will look across a variety of files and folders and come up with relevant searches. Now, the problem is that it has to create an index to do that. For example, let's take a look at a drive, and we use the shortcut to display the hidden files. And if we look here, we see a Spotlight folder. On this particular drive, it's just 16 MB. If I look at this particular drive, which is a larger backup, it's almost a gig, more than half a gig. Okay, let's turn this off and go to the default Lightroom directory. Now, as you can see, in this case, it's a scaled down catalog preview of about 108 GB. The catalog itself, since I've removed all the edit history and stuff, is just about 521 22 MB. Now, when you're running Lightroom, it keeps accessing this catalog and this data and the previews. This is specifically more useful if you are rebuilding previews or the catalog. It will really, really speed it up. So, what do you have to do to make that happen? It's actually very simple. We just add the Lightroom folder and tell Spotlight not to index this folder. So you open up the system preferences, go into Spotlight, go into privacy, and just drag and drop your Lightroom folder here. Since I already have that, it won't add it, but that's it. You can also add your Photoshop scratch disk drives here and so on. Anything that is disk intensive can be added to the exclusion, since we don't really need to search through something like previews or the catalog or the scratch disks. So any scratch space can be added here, and it will definitely speed up because A, Spotlight will not even have to watch that directory. B, there is no indexing involved. So you're cutting down on all that IO and processing where it's not even required, and it definitely helps. Now, this is on the Mac. Windows also indexes, so you'll just have to figure out how to do this for Windows. That's it for now. Have fun. Till the next one.